Friendship is a lifeline. It's a sanctuary where authenticity reigns and masks are unnecessary. A good friend accepts you as you are, flaws and all. They won't try to change fundamental parts of your personality or make you into someone you are not. With a good friend, you can relax and be yourself without fear of criticism or rejection. You can share your deepest secrets, most embarrassing moments, and rawest emotions, knowing your friend will never make you feel judged. A good friend will laugh with you in the good times, will be there for you in the sad times, will remind you how strong you are when you need it, and will always support you and uplift you. A good friend isn't afraid to tell you what they really think. They will hold you accountable when you are out of line. They speak the truth in love, and in the process, make you a better person. The time we spend with each friend is what makes each friend so special. Friendships are built piece by piece, by every piece of time we spend with each one of them. The amount of time we spend with each friend is not what is important, but the quality of time and the memories we make with each one of them. Sometimes 5 minutes might be more important than one whole day. There are friendships made from shared laughs and pains, others from school, university, or work. And there are also those friends that come by almost randomly, that we don't know why or how they came to be, but we know they are there. Some friends will be there for a lifetime, while others might just pass by through our lives. The time we spend with that person is what makes that friend so special, because time wasted with friends does not exist. It is time gained, lived, enjoyed. We have some friends that we talk to every day, those that will just silently be there, those that come and go. But then, when we see them again, it's like no time has passed. There are some friends that you might not see often, but that had a profound impact in your life. So, if you have good friends in your life, cherish them, take care of them, and be grateful you have them. Good friends are not easy to find, but once you do, they become part of your soul, and each one of them will be a piece of your heart.